To create a basic 5/8 D-loop, I start with a piece of BCY number 24, 4 1/4 inches long. Fuzz both ends out and melt them down to a ball. Using the flat metal portion of the lighter, flatten and expand the ball slightly. Tie the first knot The jaws are rounded so you can grasp the cord securely without damaging the cord, and I just twist it and tighten the first knot. That ensures that you have plenty of cord to tie the second knot. Then, using the expander portion of the pliers, tighten the bottom knot and finish tightening the top knot in one motion.